And special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us this 3-pack of acrylic brushes. Let me open these up to show you in this unboxing what they look like. Plastic off. So inside this nice colored box, love these colors here, is your, look at that, wow. Nothing else in here. There is 3 of these, as you can see. Each one's in its own little container here. And so if we just pop these tops off, we can slide it right out. Love the look of these, man. I'm not a nail person, but, and then that's the acrylic brushes. So you'd be able to very easily use these to do your nails, do whatever the ladies do with these. This is number 14. Then we have also a number 12 here, which as you can see is just a little bit smaller, I guess you would say. And then we also have a number 8. So that's real tiny there, much smaller one there. So 8, 12, and 14. So you can see the different sizes there, all beside each other. Absolutely love this little like extra glittery part here at the top. Like that's just fancy and looks really nice. And essentially that is what you would get inside of this 3-pack of acrylic brushes. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send these to me to unbox and show you what you get here. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.